how to change a cold background picture on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button to open up the menu. From here, tap on Settings. Now in the cold settings page, we go down and then tap on cold background. In here, tap on background button at the bottom. At the top are custom backgrounds that you can select, or you can select feature background such as a picture, a video, or you can choose a custom videos here. Or you can go down gallery and select one of the image or video from your gallery. So here I can select this one right here. You can zoom it in, you can move it around. And once you are happy, tap on Set as Cold Background. And that's it. So we have now successfully set as a cold background. If you receive incoming call, you can see now it will have a different cold background. And that is my cold background here that I have just set from one of the picture from my picture gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.